Hello everyone, this is Shilpa Sathe and today I am going to give you angel card reading for the coming week, that is from 8 February 2021 to 14 February 2021. So let's see what blessings angels are showering upon us in the coming week. So this is for group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. Now let's see what actions you can take in the coming week. So this is for group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. This is group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. Now you just have to look at the card and select one group intuitively for yourself, and that is your message from your angels to you. So I have made some changes in the arrangement so that we will be able to see all the cards, and let's first see the blessings and then we will see what actions we can take. So let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 1. Be yourself. This situation calls for you to be your authentic self, which is the basis for your personal power. So group 1, is there any area of your life wherein you are pretending to feel or act something other than yourself? Then this week angels are going to shower upon you the situations or give you opportunities wherein you will be able to be yourself and speak your truth. And angels are telling you that you don't have to worry about what others think. By being yourself, you will give others opportunity to love the real you. So, this week angels are going to shower upon you the situations wherein you will be able to be yourself. Now, what actions they are guiding you to take? Love yourself. So, angels are telling you that to be yourself, you will have to love yourself. You will have to set yourself as your priority. And you can do that by honoring your feelings or honoring what is right for you and conveying that truth to the other person. So coming week, angels are going to shower upon you the situations wherein you will be able to be yourself, and for that angels are guiding you to love yourself. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 2. Practice, practice, practice. With daily practice, you can polish your skills and talents and increase your confidence. So group 2, is there any activity or task that you have to accomplish in the coming week and you have been procrastinating it or avoiding it for a long time? So angels are telling you that they are going to shower upon you the situations wherein you will be able to polish your skills and talents, and somewhere deep down you feel that you are not feeling confident to complete that task, and that's why you are procrastinating it. But you can accomplish that task only when you will feel confident about it, and for that you need practice. So coming week angels are going to shower upon you the situations wherein you will be able to polish your skills and talents, and that way you will be able to showcase your talent publicly. Now let's see what changes you have to make or actions you have to take. Freedom. So to feel confident about the task you have to accomplish. Angels are telling you to free yourself of all the judgments about yourself, as in, will you be able to do it, or the doubts you might have about completing that task, or about yourself. You will have to free yourself from all the doubts, and what you have to free yourself from the judgments about what other people will think about you. So free yourself from all the judgments about yourself and about others, and that will help you to feel confident about yourself. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 3. Emotional healing. As your heart heals of old emotional pain, you receive new blessings and love. So group 3, angels are showering upon you the situations wherein you will be able to let go of all your anger, guilt, shame, regret, and all other emotional wounds that are not allowing you to attract what you truly desire. So they are going to heal all your emotional baggages, and they are going to shower upon you their blessings in the coming week. Now let's see what actions you can take. Time to create. So the angels are going to help you to let go of all your old baggages so that you will be able to create what you truly desire. So you have to ask what I truly desire, and what would I like my life to look like, and that way you will be able to know what you truly desire, and angels are going to help you to create that. So this was the card reading for this week. See you next week. Till then, stay blessed and be happy. And if you like this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.